We've all heard the phrase growing up, probably from one of our teachers or many of our teachers, is that there is no such thing as a stupid question. Well, when I saw this yesterday, I beg to differ.
A sad situation in terms of the kind of people that were taken hostage.
At least we're dealing with a terrorist group, a known terrorist group, and Hamas. To David's point, can we expect this trickling of time, another 2 days, maybe another 3 days? And what happens when Hamas gets to the point where they literally don't have any more of the hostages left?
Now, as much as that is a stupid question, let me explain why. First of all, they're not going to release all the hostages. You see, one of the top tier leaders of Hamas is a man, his last name is Sinwar, and he's the only one in the top tier that is actually in Gaza. He's not in Qatar, he's not in Istanbul, he's in Gaza. As a matter of fact, he met with the hostages when they were underground. So he knows that if he lets all the hostages go, his number is up. We're coming after him. Now, that's not saying that we're not coming after him anyway, but he needs as much insurance as possible. And at this point, the hostages are his only insurance. So he's not going to let this happen because he doesn't care about the benefit of the Palestinians. He cares about his own skin. And that's what it's all about. I mean, here he is with one of his proteges, and he's not going to give this up. So here's what we're faced with right now, is we want to get back as many of our people as we can, one way or another. And that's what we're praying for here in Israel. They've extended the ceasefire, the pause, for 2 more days, which means theoretically another 20 people will be coming home after over 50 days, which we're very happy for, but that still leaves nearly 200 that are still unaccounted for. So if Sinwar is truly worried about what he's going to do when he runs out of hostages, well, he can always do what everybody else does. It's in the mall in Gaza City, 2nd floor. Help yourself.